Schneider, Mike Morse Law Firm. I've been an attorney for 25 years. I've been with the Mike Morse Law Firm for 12. What I love about my job is that I'm able to help people. If I wasn't working at the Mike Morse Law Firm as an attorney, I probably would have ended up being an art history professor. I'm very proud of the work that I do here at the Mike Morse Law Firm. Again, being able to make a difference in our clients' lives. So some people that I would like to meet, kind of an eclectic list, but Nicole Wallace, Stephen Colbert, and Troy Sivan. What I love about Detroit is its people. They come from all different backgrounds and the pride that they have in their city. It's always been really impactful to me. What I love about Michigan, the best summers anywhere. You take the Great Lakes, you take the weathers, you can't beat it. So I have two dogs, Chihuahuas. I spend a lot of time with them. I call them my kids. I recently bought a house. I'm doing some home renovations, and I like to play video games. It relaxes me. My favorite quote is actually by Yoda: "Do or do not, there is no try." I'd like my clients to know that I'm very compassionate and I care deeply about each and every client, each and every case, and I want to make sure that I do everything in my power to get the best outcome I can for my client.